Okay, we got to talk about some paving stone maintenance. Over time, moss, weeds, degradation of the jointing sand will allow things to collect. So we want to make sure we can clean it out and get it all fresh and ready to go for the spring and summer. So first we're going to move all the furniture out of the way and take a close look at what's actually happening. So you can see in like the chamfer of the paver and the joints there, moss is kind of built up. There's some really dirty areas that accumulated stuff underneath this bin, even an old fishing lure. And there's some areas that weren't as bad, just I think based on exposure to the sun. And then other areas where we had some serious plants starting to infiltrate into the joints. So it's important to note that most likely these plants have accumulated from the surface and sort of rooted downwards. So whenever there's a void in the jointing sand, they kind of have an opportunity to do that. It's less likely with these kinds of plants that it's going to grow up from underneath. It's more likely that it's happening from the top down, and they just have time and space to root in there. So this is about 4 years of basically just letting this patio sit and not maintaining it at all. So we're going to hook up the pressure washer, getting a wider nozzle on there just so that I don't leave too many marks, and we'll kind of size it down from there. So start wider, see if that takes out all the debris that you need. Just doing a little pre-scraping here, and if it's not doing it, maybe go to a finer nozzle that's going to give you a little bit more of a blast into the joints and get rid of some of that stuff. But this one seems to do the trick, so we're going to stick with it. So we always want to start uphill. So we're starting at the high point, and we're going to work our way down. And you can see that, they're cleaning up pretty good. I'm not sure that these pavers have ever been pressure washed properly since maybe they were brand new. This was a reclaimed paver job that I did. So using old pavers and trying to get them freshened up here. So you can see just kind of that debris getting blasted out of the joints, and it's going to take out some of the joint sand as well. So we're definitely going to have to replenish that once we get it all cleaned up. But that debris is actually going to create quite a mess. So be prepared. It'll basically blast about 4 or even 6 feet up onto the building. So we want to be meticulous in how we attack cleaning. So once again, work from uphill downwards, but also double back and kind of spray off any of the stuff that got some debris kind of sprayed up onto it, and kind of work it all in a pattern all the way downhill. And double back and clean off the surface. Once it's completely dry, so ideally let it dry 100%, we're going to sweep in some fresh jointing sand. You can pick up from any sort of general hardware place or landscape supply shop. And we're going to make sure the joints are filled up nice and tight and right up to the bottom of the chamfer. And that's what the finished result is. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.